Preston, I think we're gonna need more band-aids, but first, cue the intro. Welcome back to the channel. Preston and I are almost in the garage. We are just outside it, and as you can see right there, we have some issues. The Sandbox guy heard this last time we went off-roading. I'll show you some footage of it right now. We got that on camera.
Window broke.
It's okay, we can fix that.
Yeah, you're a good line. Slow. There we go, that's the back. So, go up over that. Alright, now turn to drive or passenger. Good. Alright, straight on up from here.
Whew. Made it up the hill. Alright, Aubrey. Your initial thoughts as you started hurtling backwards down the hill.
Well, I thought that I was just rolling backwards and needed to go faster to make it up.
Which makes sense because we were on a steep incline for sure.
And then I quickly realized when I added gas, I was going backwards quickly. So I slammed on the brakes, but not before it broke the window.
Well, as crappy as that is, I'm just grateful that tree was there to stop my family from flying down that hill. We're gonna head out. So Preston, just let you know, bud, we can fix it. Not a big deal.
Where are we gonna go to fix it?
Good question. We'll figure that out later. It's okay, bud.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, let's hear it.
I mean, you could call it Safeway.
Safeway repair. We need to break some of the glass off, so I'm gonna give the camera to Preston. He's got his earmuffs on because he thinks this is gonna be loud. I'm not gonna wear ear protection because I'm already deaf, but I am gonna put some safety glasses on because my eyes are actually still pretty good. I like to keep it that way. Let's put in our inner Thor. Thank you, Charizard. This guy, the plastic clip is broken. He's not wanting to get. There we go. Fortunately, when the window broke, we had our bags open, so they too are full of glass. The moral of this story, Preston, is always have the bags closed.
That's what I said.
Unless we're needing something. We're gonna reorganize our bags. So I believe what we're gonna do is red is gonna be for our safety stuff. So fire extinguisher, first aid, things of that nature. And then the other two blue Hercules bags, we're gonna make those into tool bags. This will be our recovery bag. Tree saver. Soft shackle. Got a dead weight. Just let's put this one at the bottom. Don't want to lose that guy. A winch controller for sure. some protective covers to go over our synthetic rope if it's gonna go over a rock. Got a shovel. And this is the winch cable in case our battery's dead for the controller. I believe that would be good. Done and done. Aubrey is driving the Sandbox currently. I was earlier. I got us stuck. So we may be able to get out of this on our own, but I wanted to test out the winch, so we're gonna do it. Foolish me, I turned off the camera right when I told Aubrey to go. We need to let the winch catch up. Alright, go for it. Alright, that got us out of the bind, so I'm gonna undo it and let you go under home power.
I'm talking about the cover around. It's coming off.
Got the cover off.
I mean, when it's on that, that's what I said. I'm talking about the license plate light. Is there screws attaching it that will let them do?
Oh no, that's it.
I think there is.
Right, there are 2 Phillips screws right here.
And what's different without it now?
Music licensing reimagined.
Does it need to be able to spin
Got the
to
plastic guy off.
I mean, we should clean that when it's off.
It's a new day. We have about an hour of sunlight, so Preston and I are gonna get cracking and finish up the Jeep. So last time we took off the cover over the license plate, and then we started. Hopefully glass doesn't rain down on us. We started to undo the plastic inner liner here. And we weren't sure how to take it off right here because we couldn't find any bolts. But we found out that it's just held in by clips. So we're just gonna start yanking on it and see what happens. Alright, which one do you think we should use, Preston?
That what size?
I don't know.
Maybe
That one? Okay, we'll try that one.
If that one doesn't work, we might have to.
We're gonna try using this. We'll see how it goes. I think we'll be able to get it in.
it is gonna be small because of where it's at. If that doesn't come out, is it working?
Yeah, I can.
On the first try.
I can feel it popping.
It's on the first try.
First try.
I know it will work. I mean, my guess was right. Or at least it will be small.
Those nips.
I mean, the real ones are actually good though. I mean, they're really.
How much glass do you think is gonna rain down?
Not very much, but a plastic piece is kind of, it's some of it out.
Music
I'm gonna change
licensing
weapons here.
reimagined.
Can I get the one that's...
Are there some that are different?
No, they all kind of resemble the little Christmas tree looking ones.
That. My wheelchair actually
Got it.
solved it. My wheelchair actually solved it.
Okay, we're gonna try banging out the dent a little bit, so that way we can get a new glass in there. What should we use to bang it out with, Preston?
Hammer, but
A hammer, maybe a 2x4?
yeah.
See what happens? We'll see what happens. Lock myself in here.
Artless.io.
Are you able to move the wire? Here.
Music licensing Licensing reimagined.
Alright, Press and I finished up cleaning up the glass. I think we bumped it up enough so that they'll be able to at least put the glass back in there. And then we're gonna look into getting something that can pull out this dent, or we'll take it to a shop, we'll see. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time, ciao.